This is Scrapbook.com, and we're at the American Crafts headquarters looking at some really fun new tools that I'm super excited to show you. So I'm going to show you guys how to use this tool that looks out of this world to me. This is the circle spin and trim, and what this gives you the ability to do is cut all sorts of circles, perfect circles, or circle frames. So I'm going to grab the packaging really quick to show you guys. So you can see here, you can make big circles, circle frames, any width you want as long as it's within their smallest spacing, which I'll show you here in a second. So it's really easy to use. It comes with two little needles that not needles, but little like razor blades, I guess, that you pop in, and then you spin the whole thing around like you're driving a pretend car, and you spin all the way around, and then it cuts the circle, and you just have to press down a little bit to make it tight. So let me show you how this works. There's measurements that start at your smallest circle. So if you think about this as the size of the circle that you want, look at these printed online. So you're like, oh, I need a circle that's about this big, the size of an orange, for example. You're gonna wanna pick the one that lines up right there on that orange. So no matter which way you spin it, it's gonna line up the numbers with the size you want. So say you want 5.5, which would be like this. You're gonna take one of the little razor guys out. I keep calling them needles. They're up here. And that's where they're secured nice and tight so they don't come out and injure anyone, but definitely you'll want to keep this away from small children. And then you lift the lid, see if we can get in here, and you pick the one you want, and what you're going to do is it has two little tabs, and so you're going to put the trimmer in the little slot, and then you're going to twist it. It might take a couple tries, and those tabs get hooked underneath the plastic, and then it's nice and sturdy. So you twist it, you can push it down, twist it to lock it, and then you twist it and pull it back up to take it out, okay? So let me make sure that's in there well. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to cut paper with it. So you're gonna put whatever paper you wanna cut. This is a pretty heavyweight cardstock, and like I said, you're gonna wanna press down and hold it down as you're spinning it, okay? And then you spin it around. You have to be kind of strong. Oops, I pushed one of the needles out, excuse me. Okay. Because it's cutting a pretty thick piece of paper. So there we go. It's gonna get easier. That first cut's pretty hard. I would do it once or twice just to make sure you actually get the cut. Then you can lift it up and see where it punctures your paper in order to hold it down. And then you have a beautiful circle that you cut, and you can keep cutting to make little circle frames, make them in different sizes, perfect for party decor since you can make really big ones, you can make layered ones, all sorts of stuff. So really, really cool new tool from We Are Memory Keepers called the Circle Spin and Trim. Thanks for watching. This video was filmed by Scrapbook.com at the American Crafts headquarters in Utah. If you want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happy crafting!